Hi folks, welcome back. We've got a little Austrian refugee. How these things are still alive, I'll never know. We brought the van back in October, and every now and again another one of these little things crops up. Where they're hiding, I have no idea. I don't even know what they are. If anybody can tell me, give us a shout and stick it in the comments, because I've never seen one in this country, in the UK. So it's one of them. As I say, where they're hiding I don't know. Anyway, that's enough of the refugee status. We're on with the arms today, so we can get this final edges done and get the sizes for the bed. So yeah, I've cut these out, made a template, cut them out, I've scribed them to the wall. They're rebooted to sit into the seat box to give them a bit of extra strength. I'll dowel them and PU glue them, as well as screwing them so they'll sit. As I say, they're actually rebaited in. Plus there's a dowel pin there. It's a metal coach bolt and a hole through into the metal frame in the van. So once it's all put together and banged in, it's going nowhere. And I say, once the PU glue is an expanding wood glue, so once that sets up as well, it'll never move. So yeah, that's the mission, is to get these fixed up, glued up, doweled and screwed, and then get the bed frame raised up. Obviously do the other side as well, both sides. I'm going to get the bed frame raised up, the 70mm. I'm going to raise it. You see the line on the wall there, and all the way around, and that'll give us the extra 35-40mm that we need, that we're short of at the back door, and give us an extra bit to allow for the hinge of the bed to hinge up without fouling the arms. But yeah, I've got to bring these back later. Anyway, there we go. Extended up, glued up, screwed up, doweled, and we now have working seat boxes. So I'm going to put a couple of little, like leather straps or something, little seatbelt webbing or whatever on them that I can sort of put your finger through and lift up, because it's just difficult. As you can see, I've done the 70mm. That's all glued and screwed and PU glued. You can see it's quite a nice comfortable height for your arm. So still to trim the edge, I've got some 25mm U-shaped trim coming for that, and we'll just sort of a clip on over the top and glue in, and that'll finish that off. I don't know what I'm going to do with the sides, whether I might just put the carpet that I'm going to use. Anyway, trying out the bed. So obviously now I've got these in place, I've put the ottoman hinges on, just to a piece of wood that's the same size as the mattress, and as you can see, there's plenty of room. It goes up, nice motion, nice movement. I should be able to do that even with bed clothes on, with bedding on the bed. You can see the PU glue expanding out there. Really good stuff this, it's absolutely solid. And this is the wee drawing I've made up for the fabricator, because I'm going to have the bed made up in aluminium to try and save a bit of weight. And I'm going to have a roof rack made same aluminium. As you can see, I've got the waste back down out the floor, and I've got the electricity back up. That's the power supply to the charger. I've temporarily wired up the little light in the bathroom just to make sure I've not snagged it or anything. It'll be coming back out and going to a proper junction box. Pipes are all connected up for the shower. Got a little shower put in. So that's a little mixer shower. And the light. Boom boom. Let there be light. So another wee mission achieved. So we're ticking them off. Got some sealant round. I'm still going to put another little quad mould over the top just to finish it off. And that's the door. Decided to use another piece of timber and make the door for the cassette. So that'll get a trim round to match the other doors. And I've stripped the toilet down. I say when I got it, the pump wasn't working, so I wasn't sure whether it's the pump or whether it's a break in the wires, or so I took it apart. Going to test the continuity, test the micro switch, and this is the water fill level pipe. As you can see, it's been bodged and whatever. I don't know what the stuff was it was in with, but it was leaking, so not satisfactory. So I'll pull it apart and get it sorted. Well, I hope you liked the wee video. Take care out there, people. Catch you later. Take care. Ta-da.